Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to insert a picture into a table in MS Word and how to make a calendar in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. Let's begin. First, let's see how to insert a picture into a table in MS Word. Open your document and click inside the table cell where you want the image. Go to Insert, then Pictures, and choose where your photo is saved. Select the picture and click Insert. Word puts the image right inside the cell. You can resize or move it by clicking and dragging the corners. That's all, an easy way to add photos to your tables. Now let's learn how to make a calendar in Microsoft Word. Open Word and go to File and then New. In the search box, type Calendar. You'll see tons of ready-made calendar templates. Click one you like, then hit Create. Word opens your calendar. You can edit dates, add pictures, change colors, and personalize it however you want. If you want a simple custom calendar, just insert a table with 7 columns and label the days of the week. And that's it! Now you know how to insert a picture into a table in MS Word and how to make a calendar in Microsoft Word the easy way. Like and subscribe and tell me what you want to learn next.